Welcome to the traditional Victorian seaside town of Hornsea, which lies 16 miles north of Hull, and not so far away is Bridlington. It's famous for its blue flag sandy beach, and home to the Hornsea Mere, Yorkshire's largest freshwater lake. Today we're going to walk along this beach, hoping I don't get wet because it looks a bit overcast, and then I'm going to go into town and enjoy some fish and chips at Lily's Fish and Chip Shop. I have been before, they are one of the best round here. Let me know in the comments where your favourites are. The structures that you see that stretch out from the beach to the sea are called groins, usually made of timber, rock or concrete, and they're designed to trap the sand and mitigate any coastal erosion. Oh yes, here comes the rain. This structure in front is a marking of the end point of the Trans-Pennine Trail that stretches 215 miles from the east coast to the west coast to Southport. Yes, it's really coming down now. I'm getting soaked through, so we'll head into town and try these fish and chips. Before we go into the fish shop, I wanted to show you this tower here. It's called Bettison Tower, built in 1840. Local legend says it was built so a manservant could watch Bettison returning from work in Hull, ensuring that his dinner was served at the exact moment he arrived home. In World War II, it was utilised as an air raid lookout point. Yeah, what a weird looking structure too. Across the road there is the Hornsea Museum, and of course Hornsea was once famous for Hornsea pottery. And the church that we're looking at is St Nicholas Church, dating back to the 13th century. And we've arrived, Lily's Fish and Chips. It's dog friendly, by the way, so I can take my little dog in there. It won awards back in 2020, and they cook the fish and chips in beef dripping. And they look lovely, don't they? Well, I'm going to enjoy these. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.